So we got to leave the b alone because e is a number. So first thing we're going to do is get rid of everything away from where the e is, which is the 1 has to go first. Everybody understand that the thing furthest away goes first. So you've got e to the 6.7b equals 79. Everybody with me? So the variable is in the exponent. When the variable is in the exponent, that's what logarithms were invented for. But because the base of the variable is an e, the guy holding up the variable is an e, it's a natural logarithm. That's what we use. So we do ln, and the base is e. You do not have to do this. This is understood. The base of every ln is e. Of 79 equals 6.7b. So in your calculator, you just type in ln of 79 and get an ugly number. So the natural logarithm of 79 is 4.3, that big long number. Then you just divide by 6.7. And logarithms, you usually round to 4 places, okay? So what did you get?
0.6521.
Yeah.